She's woken up for cheese.
Apparently.
I wasn't even asleep.
I'm on cheese now. It's a little rainy today, like it was last night. So what we're doing is we're gonna go to Cheese Factory, the Tillamook Cheese Factory is the one that makes all the cheese for like Oregon and Washington. Lots of cheese comes out of there. We eat lots of cheese from there. So we figure the kids should see the cheese what they eat, right dudes?
Yeah.
You're so excited to see cheese.
Do we gotta eat some?
Yep, at the end of the tour.
Yay.
And there's ice cream. That they make ice cream too, remember?
The dairy.
They make cheese and ice cream. Two good things in life.
There are no other good things in life, just cheese.
Well, Conan would disagree, but
I would disagree too. There's donuts.
there's donuts are good in life.
Donuts, cookies, ice cream, cheese, and cake.
Cupcake, what's good in life?
Cupcakes.
Nah. Anyway, that's where we're going. We might see some things as we go down the coast, so I'll turn the truck cam the other way. Nobody's ready for cheese in the car. Cupcake is not ready for cheese. She gets no cheese then. Dude, are you ready for cheese?
Yeah!
Yay! The dude's ready for cheese. There it is, Captain Cheese!
Daddy has a need.
That's not the right way.
Employees parking only.
There we go. Cheese. Oh, cheesy cheese, cheese. Wow, look at all the people here. What is that? Pretty big cheesy place.
Cheesy place.
I guess I don't want to give any information on where I can park.
All RVs that way. Other people that way.
I'm going that way. I'm gonna go this way. Cheesy cheese. Oh, sacred cheese. Cheese plant. Welcome to cheese. Come on. Self-guided tour. Free cheese. Dude, you know what the best kind of cheese is?
What?
Free cheese.
Wait, it's free cheese?
It's free cheese. Did you know that?
Free cheese?
The best kind of cheese is free cheese.
Yeah, I want to try this.
Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom. I gotta get that. Nom. Nom, nom, nom. You must go through a lot of toothpicks.
Me too.
Oh, Nom nom nom. Oh. It's good cheese.
It's good, but it's weird.
Oh, we got a big block of cheese there. It's a big block of cheese. Oh.
It's a sample.
Of what?
I don't know.
You don't know, you're just gonna eat it.
Yeah.
I see. This place is crazy. Crazy. That's just the ice cream place over there. That was the store over there. We just got $80 worth of cheese products. And then this is the fudge area, which of course the kids want desperately. So that was the cheese factory of goodness. Those people are awesome. And so we're headed back to Seaside. Gonna get some lunch on the way back in one of those nifty towns that we're gonna see. And then we're gonna go shopping this afternoon. Of course, the kids, you're eating lots of cheese back there, right?
Oh, we're eating sausage stick.
That wasn't a sausage stick factory, that was a cheese factory.
All the cheese are packaged really well, so you need scissors to open them.
No, you don't.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, blasphemers. Can I have my cheese curds while they suck on their sausage sticks?
That you never asked.
Yeah. Yeah.